power glitched and the lights came on and the gates came up and we're probably gonna get evacuated and this is the best day of my life. Okay. Oh look! Our scores are gone.
Oh yeah, it does turn back on. It resets our scores to 0.
Cast members just walked by. Best day of my life. Oh my god. There was like some people like in the next room cheering. Everyone else looks like just confused. Oh, this is great. This is great.
Everybody's just gonna follow us, okay? Yep.
Yay! Yay! I am officially on the track. I am officially on the track. This is great. This is great. This is great. So dangerous. Living the life. Wow. Wow. I'm on the track. This is awesome. Almost just tripped. This is fine. Wow. This is so cool. Best day ever. And that target is 100,000 for those who didn't know. Here's your secret.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
This is so cool.
It says remain seated. Shall we sit? No, we keep on going. Deu tipo pular.
Best day ever. What? Oh! That is some Disney magic we did not want to see.
I'm surprised they haven't joined the tournament.
That is the most terrifying thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god.
O Buzz tá com a cara preta. Tinha uma projeção o rosto dele se mexendo.
Wow.
O Buzz tá com a cara preta porque é uma projeção só.
Wow, this is great. Thank you, Disney, for this wonderful experience.